FB Mondial launched the Piega 125 in Europe, its premium 125 cubic centimeters naked motorcycle, which comes with a futuristic design and a lot of technology to satisfy the needs of those who are entering the segment. Designed by the famous designer Rodolfo Frascali, responsible for the Triumph models and who became known worldwide with the restyling of the 2019 Suzuki Katana, the Piega 125 bets on its bold design and first-class specifications to win the hearts of thousands of bikers. As a result, it has an aggressive front optical set, with vertically stacked LED projectors, and an overall design full of cutouts and sharp lines, conveying a lot of modernity and sportiness. In addition, the rear is extremely short, with a fender attached to the rear swing arm, which completes the Street Fighter look. The FB Mondial Piega 125 is equipped with a 125 cubic centimeters, 4V DOHC, liquid-cooled single-cylinder Euro 5 engine, which is capable of generating up to 14.28 horsepower of maximum power at 9,500 RPM and 11 Nm, 1.1 kgfm, of torque. At 9,500 RPM. It works in conjunction with a 6-speed gearbox. In terms of chassis, it is equipped with an inverted front suspension in gold color, and a monoshock damper at the rear, in addition to 1/7 aluminum alloy wheels, shod with wide tires, measuring 110/70-17 at the front and 140/70-17 in the rear. For braking, brake discs are used on both axles, the front with 300 mm in diameter and 4-piston caliper, equipped with 2-channel ABS. Finally, the model has full LED lighting and a color TFT digital panel, which brings two different functions: classic, with tachometer and concentric fuel and temperature levels with the speedometer figure, and sporty, giving more importance to the tachometer with the useful revolution area, from 5,500 revolutions, horizontally. Anyway, the FB Mondial Piega 125 is offered in Europe for from €4,449 and is available in two colors: factory, silver with blue wheels, and magnesium, black with magnesium wheels.